Welcome to Sam's Ideas Hub, your ultimate destination for innovative, creative, and inspiring ideas that make life better. Whether you're looking for the latest trends, smart solutions, or fresh perspectives on everyday challenges, this channel brings you valuable insights with unique content that sparks curiosity and transforms your imagination into reality. Here, we explore everything from futuristic designs to practical, stylish solutions for modern living. If you love staying ahead of trends and discovering fresh, exciting ideas, you're in the right place. Get ready to be inspired as we bring you cutting-edge concepts, elegant designs, and clever innovations that redefine everyday spaces. Stay tuned, and let's dive into a world of creativity and transformation. In today's video, we bring you the most stylish, functional, and space-saving kitchen decor ideas for small spaces in 2025. Kitchens are the heart of the home, but when dealing with limited space, designing them efficiently while maintaining elegance can be challenging. This year, kitchen trends focus on maximizing storage, integrating smart solutions, and incorporating modern aesthetics to create a cozy yet sophisticated ambiance. Whether you live in a small apartment, a tiny house, or simply want to optimize your kitchen space, these ideas will help you achieve a perfect balance between beauty and functionality. Let's start with color schemes, as they play a crucial role in defining the look and feel of a kitchen. In 2025, neutral and earthy tones are dominating small kitchen designs. Soft beige, warm grays, muted greens, and calming blues create an inviting and spacious atmosphere. These colors not only enhance the sense of openness but also provide a timeless appeal. To add depth, designers are incorporating subtle contrasts with darker shades like charcoal, deep navy, or matte black for cabinetry, island bases, or accent walls. Another trending approach is using two-tone kitchen cabinets, where upper cabinets have lighter shades while the lower ones are in bolder hues, making the space look stylish and well-balanced. Lighting is another key factor in elevating a small kitchen's aesthetics. A well-lit kitchen appears larger, brighter, and more welcoming. In 2025, pendant lights with sleek, geometric designs and warm LED fixtures are trending. Under-cabinet lighting has also become a must-have feature, not just for practicality but for its ability to add a soft glow that enhances the kitchen's elegance. Smart lighting solutions, such as dimmable LED strips and sensor-activated lights, provide convenience and energy efficiency while creating a cozy ambiance. Another innovative lighting idea is using reflective surfaces, such as glossy backsplashes or glass cabinet doors, to distribute light more effectively and give the illusion of a bigger space. When it comes to layout, open and multifunctional designs are taking center stage. The traditional closed-off kitchen concept is being replaced by more open layouts that seamlessly connect with the dining or living areas. This makes the space look larger and more interactive. One popular trend is the use of compact kitchen islands or peninsula counters that double as dining tables, workspaces, or extra storage. Foldable and extendable countertops are also gaining popularity, allowing homeowners to maximize workspace when needed and tuck them away when not in use. Smart storage solutions have revolutionized small kitchen designs, making them more efficient and clutter-free. In 2025, custom-built cabinetry with hidden compartments, pull-out pantry shelves, and deep drawer organizers are essential for making the most of every inch. Vertical storage is a game changer, with designers incorporating tall cabinets, ceiling-mounted racks, and pegboard walls to store kitchen essentials without taking up valuable counter space. Magnetic knife strips, hanging pot racks, and slim rolling carts offer additional storage without overwhelming the kitchen's design. Another space-saving innovation is the use of corner drawers and carousel storage units, making hard-to-reach areas more functional. Appliances are becoming smarter and more space-efficient, catering to the needs of compact kitchens. Integrated and built-in appliances are in high demand, helping homeowners maintain a seamless, uncluttered look. Smart refrigerators with touchscreen displays, voice-controlled coffee makers, and compact dishwashers with water-saving technology are making kitchens more efficient and convenient. Induction cooktops with built-in ventilation, wall-mounted ovens, and slim microwaves contribute to a sleek, space-saving design. Multifunctional appliances, such as air fryer toaster ovens or all-in-one pressure cookers, eliminate the need for multiple gadgets, keeping countertops free from clutter. Innovative furniture solutions are also redefining small kitchen spaces. Foldable dining tables, wall-mounted breakfast bars, and extendable kitchen counters offer flexibility without compromising style. Stackable stools, hidden storage benches, and convertible kitchen islands provide multifunctionality, allowing homeowners to adapt their kitchen layout as needed. Additionally, modular kitchen designs are gaining popularity, offering customizable components that can be rearranged or expanded according to changing needs. Decor elements play a crucial role in adding personality to a small kitchen while maintaining a sophisticated look. Minimalist open shelving has become a favorite choice, allowing homeowners to showcase stylish dishware, plants, and decorative items without overcrowding the space. Glass jars, ceramic containers, and woven baskets add a touch of charm while keeping kitchen essentials organized. Another important aspect of modern kitchen decor is the use of smart and practical kitchen accessories. Magnetic spice racks, adjustable drawer dividers, and stackable food storage containers enhance organization while keeping the kitchen tidy. Aesthetic and functional dish racks, under-sink organizers, and retractable cutting boards contribute to a more efficient workspace. Smart kitchen gadgets, such as automatic soap dispensers, motion sensor trash cans, and Bluetooth-enabled cooking scales, add convenience while maintaining a sleek and modern look. Incorporating artistic and personalized touches can further enhance a small kitchen's appeal. Customized wall art, stylish wall decals, and framed quotes can make the space feel more inviting and unique. High-quality textiles, such as linen table runners, chic placemats, and decorative kitchen towels, add warmth and sophistication. Using statement hardware, such as brass or matte black handles and knobs, gives cabinetry a refined, contemporary touch. For those who love a cohesive theme, coordinating kitchen accessories, such as matching dishware, cookware, and utensils, can create a harmonious and visually appealing setup. Sustainability is a major focus in 2025's kitchen designs, with eco-conscious choices becoming more accessible and stylish. Energy-efficient appliances, water-saving faucets, and composting solutions help reduce environmental impact while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Ultimately, designing a small kitchen in 2025 is all about blending functionality with elegance.
No problem.
By choosing the right color schemes,
organizer ideas for every
maximizing
part
storage,
of your home
incorporating smart
2025.
solutions, and
Welcome to
embracing
Sam's
stylish
Ideas
decor,
Hub, the place
homeowners
where
can
innovation
transform
meets
compact kitchen
practicality.
spaces into stunning,
If you're looking
efficient,
for
and
smart,
inviting areas.
stylish, and efficient
Whether
ways
it's
to
through
keep your
minimalist
home
aesthetics,
clutter-free without
multifunctional
sacrificing
furniture, or
aesthetics, you're
cutting-edge
in the right
technology,
place.
today's kitchen
A
trends offer endless
well-organized home is not
possibilities for
just
creating
about
a modern,
storage, it's about
space-saving, and
functionality,
beautiful
ease,
cooking
and
environment.
elegance.
If you
In
enjoyed
today's
this
video,
and
we'll
found
be
these
sharing the
ideas
best
helpful, don't
space-saving
forget to
organizer
subscribe to
ideas that
Sam's
help
Ideas Hub
assemble,
for more
arrange,
inspiring
and
content.
maximize every part
Like
of your
this
home.
video,
From
share
the
it with
living
your
room
friends
to the
and
bedroom,
family, and leave
kitchen,
a comment below
bathroom,
to
and
let us
even
know which
outdoor
idea you like
spaces.
the most.
These
Your
fully
support
assembled
helps us bring
solutions
more
are designed
creative
to
and
make your
innovative
home
ideas
look
to life.
sleek, modern, and
Stay tuned
perfectly
for more
managed.
exciting content,
Whether
and
you
see
have
you
a
in the
small
next video.
apartment or a large